What's up everyone, RJ here. So today's video is going to be super quick and super easy. I traded one stock, I was in and out, done within 2 minutes. So the stock I traded is NIO, and I traded an opening range breakup. I saw volume coming in, so I took an entry at VWAP and it just continued to rocket. So I partialed all the way throughout the actual candle, and then on the second candle it continued to rocket, so I partialed, and then it kind of started to retrace, so I just went all out. I had some really good profits. And so without further ado, I will take you guys in and let's go and review the trade. All right everyone, so let's take a look at this NIO trade. Obviously I have my 3 graphs pulled up. I have the daily chart, the 5-minute chart, and the 1-minute chart. And so coming into the bell, I saw an enormous volume candle coming in. And so we opened right here at about $40.85. And volume started to come in around VWAP. So I took an entry at about 41.5 after it had broken the $41 mark and was going for the break of VWAP, which is this fusion line. And so after I took that entry at about 41.05, it continued to rocket all the way, breaking past VWAP, and I took my first partial around here, around the 41.20 area. So let's mark that so it's easy for you guys to see. So around 41.20, I took my first partial. So that was about a 15-cent gain. And then I went ahead and took another partial here at about 41, I want to say 41.30. Let's just call it 41.30. So another 10-cent gain there. So 25-cent gain overall. And then on the second candle, it did open below the first candle, but didn't show any signs of weakness. It went ahead and continued to rocket all the way up. So let's just copy this. And then I took another partial around 41.40 area. And then the last all out candle I took was around 41, I want to say 46, just under the break of 41.50 for the $0.50 there. And so this was an enormous move. It was close to about a 45-cent move. And I was all out within candle number 2 for the day. And obviously after that, people started taking profits, and you see this almost engulfing red candle that took out the last green candle. So I'm glad I was all out after that and didn't want to give back any profits. So on the 5-minute chart correlating with it, you have an enormous opening range breakup candle here, and then alongside with that, an opening range breakup candle here on the 1-minute chart. If you miss this move, you can, if your profit ratio is correct, you can take the next candle if volume is still there, which it was, and you could have taken an entry around 41.30 and continue to take profits all the way up to about 41.60 if you were keeping your exits and partials very tight. And then you still would have profited off that. If you had everything at break even, you still would have been green if you took this second candle. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recap. Again, it was super easy. I know it's probably not the most exciting one, but that's not what trading is about. You shouldn't be getting super excited. Emotions should be continued to be kept in check. And of course, with NIO, I just took an opening range breakup. Patterns continued to follow after that, but as you guys know, you start to give back profits the longer you trade. So I was all out 2 minutes into the day. So now Brandy and I are gonna go ahead and catch a movie. We're gonna catch a matinee. So hope everyone traded clean and traded well. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in tomorrow's trading recap. I do have a lot of news to kind of share with you guys, including today. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I did, along with a colleague, sign up for Peak Capital Traders course. And so that's gonna be a pretty intensive course leading all the way and graduating December 13th, I believe, is the final day. And so as you guys already know, I've been day trading for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years now, and I've been doing very well for myself. But I believe that twofold, a couple things here. Peak Capital Traders is led by Andrew Aziz, which is someone I really like, and someone who has helped me with my day trading strategies. And also I want to take this course and completely refine my edges and sharpen my edges here, and I feel like they'll be able to do it. And so more of that to come. I've already gotten the green light from P Capital Traders to be able to create content and share my experiences. Obviously, I won't be able to share any proprietary trading strategies or any other information, but I can tell you guys how it's going along the way. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their Tuesday. Remember, trade clean, stay green. I'll see everyone soon.